Hello YouTube, we're live again on Twitch, and this time I'm going to attempt another challenge. Last time we did 10 JavaScript projects in 10 hours, and I don't know, I felt that we can do better. So this time I'm going to attempt 10 JavaScript projects in 1 hour, which is basically roughly 6 minutes per project. As you can imagine, the projects won't be big projects. So we can say 10 mini JavaScript projects in 1 hour, but still it should be an interesting challenge. As I said, this is live. I have the chat here on the right. And yeah, if everything goes well, this will be on YouTube. If not, we'll see. Okay, here are the projects I'm going to attempt. A hamburger button, which will toggle a nav to show and hide, a toast notification, those which appear probably in the bottom right corner, and they pile up whenever you click a button. An auto-write text feature, which we're going to give a text and it will kind of use JavaScript to auto-write itself. A pop-up or a modal, depending on how you want to call it. A purple heart train, which is similar to what we have on screen if someone sends a heart. Next up, a background changer, which will generate random background colors for our window, for our project, I guess. A dark mode toggle, which would toggle the light and dark mode. A carousel, which will have 3 or 4 images. A soundboard, which we can use to have sounds like this. Okay. And a zoom effect, which we're going to have an image, and whenever we hover over the image, it should zoom in. Probably you saw this in e-commerce apps where they have like the preview image and you could check in the image, like if you want to buy a dress or something. You know the drill. And I also have some backup projects in case I fail at this. Yeah, 6 minutes per project, so I don't know. And one more thing I prepared is just the basic skeleton for the project. I don't want to write this every time, so I have a simple HTML file with the basic structure, the style CSS, the script. And in CSS, I have just some basic CSS Poppins font because we'll like it, or at least I do. And yeah, everything centered with Flex, because pretty much all the projects will be like a box or something, and we want them in the center. And we'll see how it goes. If I have more time for one project, I might style it to look better. If not, we'll just stick to the default style. Yeah, I see the chat is pretty excited. Thank you for joining. All right. Yeah, so I have 1 hour, which starts now. Let me start the timer for the first project. Okay, so the hamburger button. Let me copy this project, paste hamburger like that, open it, hamburger button. Okay, what we need? We need a button which will have the hamburger icon. Let's find it somewhere. Where's the icon? That's a good start. Icon HTML. Can I copy? I know it had HTML entity. Okay, this one. Good. We have it. And then we're going to have a nav with 3 LIs and a link. Well, each has a link. All right. I don't know, Google. And this one goes to YouTube. And this one, well, doesn't go, just have the links. Twitter. All right. Good. And we need to open this project. Awesome. Now that's that. Let's style it. So we want the button to be background color purple, or backup purple, because that's better. Border none, color white, and wanted position fixed, top 20 pixels, right 20 pixels. Okay, there, let's have padding 1 rem. That should work. And the nav, we wanted position, come on, don't fail me, position fixed. Let's see, we want it to be on the right side, so we want the height to be 100 viewport heights. We want top to be 0, right to be 0 for now, and let's also have a background color of purple. Oh, Rebecca purple. Like that. Good. And we can install the nav UL. Do we have a UL or I forgot? I don't. Okay. UL. Alright, good. So nav UL, padding 0, list style type none. Okay, nav UL li, let's have some padding 2 rem 0. On the nav, let's have some padding 2 rem. And nav links should be white. Whoops, not a thing. Color white. And text decoration none. Whoa, look at that, so beautiful. We want margin 0 here, and yeah, let's use 1 rem. Okay, not so pretty. Good, but by default, this nav should be out of the way. So we have transform, translate on the x-axis 100%. So it's bye-bye. And whenever we click the button, we want to have a class nav.active, which will do transform, translate x 0 pixels or 0% or 0. I think all work. I don't know now. Okay, let's go to this and have an ID of btn on the bottom, button, and an ID of nav on the nav. Good. And now in the script, I'm going to have const btn document get element by ID btn, like that. Copy this, like that. Have the nav. All right. And when we click the btn, I have 1 minute left. Add event listener on the click. I want to do nav.class list.toggle active. What was the class we added? Oh boy. Okay, let's see. CSS. Yeah, active. Good. So now, yeah, it should work. I also want the button to have a class of active, and this will be transform translate x minus 100 pixels. We should do better, but oh well. And the same thing on the button. Yeah. So now when we click, I mean, it's not the best design, but oh well, you can see it works. It toggles. And let's do one more thing. Transition, the transform property for 0.3 seconds and is in out. Copy this, the button and the nav. And look at that. I mean, that's good, right? And you can click the links and it should work. All right, good. 22 seconds left. Stop. Next one. What's the next one? Toast notification. Start. Base project. Copy. Paste. Toast notification. Yeah, so the chat, just yell if I don't do something wrong. Right. Toast notification. Good. So again, we're going to have a button which will say click me pretty please, like that, in the middle of the screen. Okay, good. And whenever we click this button, we're going to have another ID. TN. Whenever we click, we want to show a notification here on the bottom right. I think I explained too much, right? Okay, so const btn document document get element by ID btn, like that, and btn add event listener on click. I want to create notification. Function create notification spelling check. Okay, so what we want to create a notification component, or node list, create element. We want a div. This notification class list should have a class of notification or toast. Let's have it toast, whatever. And we want to add it to a notification container, which we don't have yet. So let's do it fast. So notification container, like that. Everything. Okay, and we want this container. All right, and now the container, add append child. Thank you. Auto suggest, and we want to add a notification, but we also want to remove notification after a while. So set timeout after, I don't know, 3 seconds. It's too much. You don't have 3 seconds to wait. So notification dot remove. Okay, so we add it and then we remove it, and we want to have like notification inner text to say something like, I don't know, this challenge is crazy. Okay, good. So whenever we click, we should look at that. This challenge is crazy. Awesome. Now let's style it. I have 3 minutes for that. Perfect. Container. I'll use ID to style. I don't like that. What's the class? Toast. Don't do this. Okay, I want it to be, I don't know, padding, 2 RAM, background color, Rebecca purple. Someone likes this color too much. Color white. I don't know, border radius 5 pixels. Okay, and the container should be position fixed, bottom 10 pixels, and right 10 pixels. Okay, let's see. Good. Good. And they disappear. I think that's not that bad. Let's have margin 1 rem. And then all right, good. Next one. I think it's good, right? Let's style the button. Let's not rush it. I guess we can do background color Rebecca purple, color white, padding 1 rem, border radius 5 pixels, border none. All right, yay! And I want one font family inherit, so it gets a nice font. Look at that. Good. We could have an animation, but next time. All right, next project. What's the next project? Auto write text. All right, start. Auto write text. For this one, we need to have a text and put it in, on the screen automatically using JavaScript. So yeah, let's open this live server, and I'm going to have a text here which will say my viewers on Twitch are the best, and like that. Good. And we want to get this text and show 1 letter at a time. So we're going to need some kind of index, which will start at 0. We're going to have a function write text, and this will get document.body inner text to be text.slice. So we want to get from 0 to index, and at the end we want to index like that. And at the end, we want to do index plus plus. But if the index is greater than text.length -1, we want the index to be 0. Let's see. Oh, we need to call it. Set interval. We want to write text every 100 milliseconds. So my viewers on Twitch are the best, and we doesn't know. So yeah, something like that. Yeah, let's make it better. Maybe background color Rebecca purple. you might notice a pattern here. Font size to rem. Okay, my viewers on Twitch are the best. Oh, it doesn't. Can't see the last one. Okay, good. Now it works. Hello, everyone who joined. How many has he done? This is the third one, and we have 4 minutes to spare. So yeah, this is good. Let's go to the next one. Close. The next one is Popup. Popup. Okay. Copy paste. Popup. Okay. Popup. All right. Now for the popup, we also need a button, which an ID of btn open, and we're going to need a popup container, a popup like that, and h1 YouTube paragraph. Also, my YouTube viewers are the best too, right? Okay, let's open this, close this. Good. Now we have the pop-up, we have the container, we have the button. We also need a close button. So inside here, a button, we want an X, an ID of close, and this will be open then. Open. Okay, now we need to style it. Button, background color, guess what? Rebecca, purple, color, white, padding, 1 rem, border, radius, 4 pixels, border, none, font family, inherit, boom, like that. Next up, the pop-up container. Now this should be position fixed. Top 0, left 0, bottom 0, right 0. And background color, it should be RGBA 0000.5. So you shouldn't see something like that. Now it should, so the pop-up inside should be background color white. Let's have a width of 500 pixels or something. Okay, and a padding of 2 rems. All right, I don't like that text, it's too stupid. Good, now let's put this in the center. So display flex, alignment and center, justify content center. The boom. And we want this border radius 5 pixels. And box shadow, let's have some shadow. 2 pixels, 2 pixels, 5 pixels, RGBA 0000.3. Meh, 10 pixels. Okay, and the pop-up button should be position absolute. Top 10 pixels, right 10 pixels, something. Yeah, perfect. It's just not there. We want it to be relative to this, so position relative. Okay, and let's make it prettier. So padding, you know what? Come on, 2 minutes. Background color white and color Rebecca purple, and font size to rem. Oh, never mind. I don't like that. Okay, close HTML in times. Thank you, chat. That's what I was looking for. Okay, I want that. Awesome. Yeah. All right, good. Now we need two. This should be display none by default. Popup container, active, display flex, like that. And yeah, then we do the thing. So here we also need ID container. So I have 1 minute left. btn open document.get element by ID, open. All right, I want this twice. I want close, and I want container. All right, whenever we click open, add event listener or whatever, click container class list add active. And when we close, guess what? Remove active. And yeah, for now, come on. Container, inspect, console. That doesn't close. ID close. Popup container, flex. Let's see if we have add event listener. Close event listener. Oh, close. Oh, okay. Thank you. I want now this now. Okay, open. Okay, I am out. All right, so this now works. Thank you to my chat. Yeah, so apparently I had there an issue. Good. Next one. 6 minutes. Which is the next one? Purple heart rain. Ooh, this is a long one. Copy paste. Rename purple heart rain. Purple heart. Whenever you hear that sound, it means that I'm dead. Rain. Well, it means that the 10 minutes for the project are gone. Okay, for this one, we want to create a heart and drop it on the screen. How hard should that be? So function create heart, and we want to const heart document create element div and heart dot class list add heart, and we want document that body that append child heart. Well, not like this heart. Okay, good. So if we and also wait, heart inner text should be purple heart, like that. And we want to set interval create heart every second. All right, 1, 2, 3, good, perfect. We can do it faster, 300 milliseconds. All right, now we want to randomly have it on top of the screen and fall down. So for that we need heart, we need a keyframes fall, and we want to go to transform translate on the y-axis 100. Let's do it 105 viewport heights. All right, and by default position fixed top -5 viewport height, -1 viewport height, I guess that will work. And left, this will do generally in JavaScript, well, automatically. And transform translate y0 and animation, sorry, and animation fall for 3 seconds, linear. Okay, Yeah, look at that. Yay! They're following. They're shooting hearts. And now we need to heart style left to be a mat.random. Let's see, from 0 to 100. So 0 to 100 plus viewport heights, viewport widths, right? All right, perfect. Yeah, good. And we have some time, so let's do heart style animation duration. We can do mat.random to be between 2 seconds and 5 seconds. So some will follow faster. Yeah, pretty cool. And yeah, let's make them bigger. Scale, or I guess I can use font size to rem. Big hearts. Whoa. Oh, and we need to remove them because look what happens. I want it to be forwards. And I want it to set timeout, the same thing we did to remove it, right? After 5 seconds. So heart remove. All right. And we have hearts, and we have hearts. Good. 2 minutes left. Next one. How many we have done? 5. Okay. Background changer. This should be simple. Rename. Background changer. Background changer. We started 20 or so minutes ago. Okay. Background changer. We need a button with a btn class. Change me. That. I'm getting excited about this. Should be fun. Good. So we want the button, background color, Rebecca purple, color white, padding 1 rem, font family inherit, box shadow, 2 pixels, 4 pixels, RGBA 0000.2, like that, border radius 5 pixels, border none. Okay, let's make it, I don't know, 6 pixels. All right, and font size 1.5 rem. All right. Ooh. I don't mind. Okay, and whenever we click this, we want to change the background color. It shouldn't be hard. We might have some time to const btn to do some styling. Get element by id, btn that class that add event listener, click, and what we want is document.body that background should be random bg, and random bg function, we want this to return HSL mat.floor mat.random times 360, I think 100%, 50%. I think that's the value of HSL. No, something's wrong. Let's see. Okay, click document body background random bg, console.log random bg. All right, we get values. Random bg badge request document body style. Thank you. Yay! It works. Thank you, chat. You're amazing. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, let's. Whoa, I didn't start a timer, so I don't know how much time I have. Focus, outline, none. And button active, box shadow 0. Disco, yeah. Now let's make this more obvious, like 5. And yeah, let me do transform, translate, 2 pixels, 2 pixels. So we should have something like Alright, good. And we can even have transition, transform, 0.1 second linear, like that. So we do it doesn't show the animation too much. Good. I don't know how much time we have. I'm scared to do something else, so yeah. Let's just keep moving. I wanted to add the text to show exactly the color, but that's for another project. Yeah, uptime won't work in the chat, so you need to do... I started recording 30 minutes ago, and I did like a 5-minute intro, so I have 25 minutes. Well, I mean 25 minutes, which means I have 35 minutes left. All right, dark mode toggle. How do you enjoy the chat? I mean, chat, how do you enjoy it so far? Drop some hearts if you like it. Dark mode toggle. Next time we need the actual timer on the screen. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, let me start this. So dark mode toggle. Now for this, we're going to need a text. The poppers family are the best. I don't know to say something else. Sorry. And lorem 40. All right. In the screen, we need here display flex. Yeah, no, flex direction column, like that. Oh, let's do text align center, and let's have a padding of 3 rem, 5 rem. Okay, and we want on above to have like div where we'll have an input plus a label. And this input will be checkbox with an ID of toggle, and the label, well, let's say the name toggle. I'm not sure, label, whatever, toggle. And this would say toggle theme. Yeah, something like that. Okay, now let's target this. Let's do the JavaScript and then we can install it. Toggle will be document.get element by ID toggle. And what I want is toggle.advent listener change. I need, so on document.body.style, no, class list.toggle the class of dark, and I want it to be conditioned on e.target.checked. Okay, and now we need to add a dark theme. So body.dark, background color 1F, 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 and color white. Oh, look at that. It worked. Ha! And label user select none. Okay, and yeah, I guess if we give it, I have 3 minutes left. If we give it a class of toggle container, oh, let's put it here, toggle container. We can do position, fixed top 10 pixels, right 10 pixels. Okay, that worked. Okay. Yeah. Right, not too shabby. We could. 2 minutes. Okay, let me try something. I might fail apart, but think. Input, visibility hidden. Okay. Cursor pointer. Oh, no text. Oh, 2 minutes. I'm crazy. Why am I doing this? Background color, Rebecca purple. Width 30 pixels. Height, let's do 50 pixels. 50 pixels. Border radius 50%. Oops. Display on block. Okay. Good. And body dot dark label background color white. All right. I mean, it's not much. Oh, okay. Let's add transition. We want the background and color. Can we do that? 0.3 seconds linear, and we want the color 0.3 seconds linear to have like. Oh, wait, we need to edit to the parent here. All right, and we can do this exact same thing here, but we only for the background. Not sure why it's red there. Yeah. Yeah, we could have a circle and something else, but all right, good. Next one. Carousel. Rename Carousel. Carousel. Good. Carousel. Thank you for everyone who followed. Now let's see what we need. We need a carousel like that. Whoa. Like that. We need an image container, and we need 4 images. So image times 4. And I'm going to use Unsplash to have 4 images. I don't know, this one. Like that. And then thank you, Alexandre. And then this one. Thank you, XPS. And then this one. Thank you, Stefan. And pizza, I guess. All right. Thank you, Edward. All right. Now we have this. We have the container, and it will be a. Oh, I forgot to press start here. It will be a pretty generic carousel. I mean, simple one stuff. Okay. Wait, let me close. I have a bunch of tabs here open. Whoops. Why do I need to complicate this? See, don't be like me. Don't overcomplicate things. All right. Index and style. Now for the style, we have the carousel, which I want to be width 500 pixels and height 500 pixels. And I want overflow hidden. Perfect. Now the carousel image container. I want this to be display flex. Let me not do hidden yet. And I want image, image EMG to be width 500 pixels, height 500 pixels, object fit hover like that. Good. And now I'll hide it like that. Let's I don't know, do a box shadow, 2 pixels, 2 pixels, 5 pixels, RGBA 000 0.3 RGBA. Yeah, not too pretty. And now what I want, and images, ID images, const images document. What? Document get element by ID images. and I want a function next, I don't know, run stupid name, and this will go wait, let index 0, and this will do index plus plus if index, and we know that's 4 greater than 3 index is 0. I mean, let's do think. I want to get the images to get their length. So img. I don't have a good name. Document that get element query selector all image tags. I guess I could do images. So all the images inside the image tag, and if this is bigger than image.length. The reason I did this is because I want to work for as many images as we have, not fixed value. All right, and I want images that, let's see, style that transform to be translate y. Translate y minus minus index times 500 pixels. Okay, and set timeout. Yeah, let's do that. Set no. Run, and I want here at the end set timeout the run every 2 seconds because we're in a hurry. Okay, I messed up something. Let's. All right, that's good. Now, display flex. Let's not do this. Let's have a transition. Oh, I know what I did. Transition, transform, linear, 0.3 seconds linear. Translate X. Oh yeah, and that. Thank you, chat. Translate X. I guess that's it. And yeah, transform, translate X 0 by default. All right, good. And overflow. And yeah, okay, something's bad there. I think my length -1. Okay, so it starts with the first one. Oh, let's do set timeout here also, so we see the first one. Set interval. Just so that, I don't know, felt bad to have both. Why not modular? Because I don't know how it works. I mean, I know, but I can't think now. So yeah, good. This is our carousel. It doesn't have buttons, it doesn't have anything. It's just pretty because look at that pizza. All right, next one. How much time we have? Around 20 minutes. And we have 2 more projects. Oh, look at that. Soundboard. Now this will be hard, so I give myself more time by finishing the other ones faster. Soundboard. Soundboard. Now, what we want here, I have sounds. Where I have them? Here, I have some sounds. Let me copy and paste them here, please. Copy, sure. All right, but I don't want them all. I don't want this, 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 I don't want this. All right, 6 should go. Well, now I want to do an object sound, an array with the names. Applause, boo, gasp, tada, victory, and wrong. And I'm going to do sounds that for each sound I'm going to, sorry, the water's coming back. All right, for each sound I want to add a button on the page, And whenever we click it, we want to play the song, which we need to load. Yeah, we need to load them. So how do you do that? Audio. I guess, hopefully, sounds / applause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Boo. And gasp. And ta-da. And victory. And wrong. And IDs. Alright, good. Now, we have them, which are loaded, so we just need to create the buttons. So const btn, document, create element, button. Let's add a class so we can style them. Class list that add. I guess I could toggle the button. Never mind. And them. Okay. Hey. All right. Okay, and I want to add it to the DOM. So document dot body append child btn. All right. Good. And now btn dot inner text should be sound. Yeah, nice. And btn dot add event list event. What's happening? Add event listener. On click, we want to do document dot get element by ID sound dot play, right? Not on play. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it works. Awesome, let's toggle it. Apparently it was easier than I thought. Okay, so btn, bro, background color, Rebecca purple, color. Please don't hate me for this. I don't know anything else to style it. I'm such a bad designer. Font size to rem. You like Rebecca purple. You guessed. Padding 2 rem. No, 1.5 rem, 3 rem. Oh boy. Ugly. Border radius 55 pixels, border none, and margin 1 rem. Yeah, I guess. Purple pizza, hello. Wait, so okay, works. Yeah, I have 2 minutes left, so I guess I can. What can I do? I don't know. I don't want to complicate it. Yeah, I guess background color Rebecca purple, and I'll do this. Yay! Stop song when you play another one. Yeah, I have 2 minutes. Let's do that. Disable button after click. Yeah, don't give me ideas. Don't. So I want to stop whenever we click. I want to stop them all. So function stop songs. I don't know if I can. There is a stop thing. Audio HTML stop. Is there a stop function? Pause. Yeah, it's a pause. I have 1 minute left. So yeah, I need to go over all of them. So sounds that for each sound I want to do this, and I want to pause, and I also know that so yeah, I could wait. So we pause the stop songs, or pause. Let's see. Do you hear? Yeah, and thank you, chat. And I need to reset because see, the boo will continue. So I need to change the current time. Thank you, SSMKHRJ. So yeah, I want to do this again. I guess const song will be this. And I'll do song.pause and song.current time will be 0. This is satisfying to watch. Hopefully. So it will always start, which is good. Yay! We have one more. Alright, and the last one, where is it? Zoom effect. Yeah, look at that, exactly the time. Alright, 6 minutes. I don't know how, probably around an hour. Zoom effect. Good. So zoom effect. Now, what I want an image in a container, and that image should be zoomed in at the place we move mouse over. So yeah, let's do container, and we're going to have an image. Let's pick another unsplash image. Something purple, because this is the end. Look at this. Nice, I want it. Okay, and we'll say purple kitty. Alright, good. Let's check it out. Alright, now. Style. When it's style in container, I don't remember how I did it. Yeah. I did this a while ago. I guess 500 pixel. No, let's do on the container. Width 500 pixels, height 500 pixels, like that, and we do width 100% and height 100% and object fit cover. Okay, let's do some box. Wait. Background color Rebecca purple. Box shadow 3 pixels, 4 pixels RGBA. I don't know nice box shadow, but oh, look at that works. Now, whenever we hover over, I want this image to be zoomed in, and we're going to need to work with transform origin, which is center by default. So let's see if I remember correctly. Container, document, get element, container. Now container, add event listener on mouse move. Now we need to figure out what's the X and Y axis position inside this. So we're going to, oh, and I also need the image. So const image, document. Let's do query selector because we have one image. So X will be e.client X minus e.target dot offset top. So the offset from the top, and we want the X inside, and we negate the offset from the top. So this is the offset, and this will be the X. I want to remove that so we get 0 there. And Y, offset left. This is the Y and X and Y. And now on image style, transform origin, we want it to be X and Y, right? X pixel and Y pixel. I'm not sure. Okay. And we also want image.style.transform to be scale 2. So we want to zoom in, right? Yeah. Console.log x and y. All right, so we get that something's wrong. Client text offset. Yeah, we have one more left and probably 10 minutes. I don't know. So client x minus e target offset top. Oh, offset left, and this will offset top. Let's see, 0. All right, perfect. Now, why the image is not transform? Transform region is transform. If I could type. Okay, good. That kind of works. Now we need overflow hidden. Yeah, look at that. Ah, it works. And we need to reset it. So container.add event listener on mouse leave. We want image.style.transform origin center and image.style.transform scale 1. Yeah, look at that, kitty. Awesome. Where is our soundboard? Oh boy, that's interesting. I think we're done. What did it say, chat? 10. I think we've done 10. And we have like 7 minutes left. So that's crazy. Let's look over the projects. Wait. Yeah, I was worried. Thank you, chat. Awesome chat. Looking. So, okay, let's look at this. This is the Brace project. We have the Carousel. We have Dark Team. We have the Hamburger. We have the Popup. We have the Purple Rain. We have the Sound Board. We have the Toast notification. And we have the Zoom effect. Thank you for following. Thank you for supporting. Drop your hearts in the chat so people can see, those who are watching, your support. All right, let's see the... Oh, we don't have a title for this one. No. Auto text. Right. All right, this is the auto text, which is writing text automatically. This is the background changer, which is kind of a eye killer for me. This is the carousel, which shows image with a pizza. You know what? So we're done. I'm just improving stuff. Where's carousel? I want to add, instead of linear, let's do ease in out. Now we have a smoother transition. Let's see. And it's pretty fast. So let's do 0.5. All right. Thank you for all the support. You're awesome. All right, let's do dark mode toggle. Thank you, Ivan. You need to add space. Yeah. Then the hamburger menu, which is like simple like this. Then the pop-up. Simple pop-up. Carousel background, Rebecca purple. For this, yeah, that could work. Then we have, whoa, something. I think they started too soon. Yeah. All right, then we have this, the soundboard. And then we have the toast notification. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh, maybe you couldn't see this because of my big head. And then we have the zoom effect, which we hover over and we zoom. All right. Thank you, YouTube, for watching. I mean, thank you those on YouTube who are watching, who will be watching this video. Oh boy. If you enjoyed, give it a like to support the video and I'll tell the YouTube algorithm that it's good. Subscribe if you haven't, and join us on Twitch, FlorinPop17, if you want to see more crazy stuff like this. And other projects live with me and the people who are watching. Yeah, and write down in the comments other projects you'd like me to do, I guess, in the future. Thank you for watching, and yeah, have a great day. Bye!